Ward's Toys here, y'all. It's another Pokemon to open up for y'all. And they're going to be opening up Scarlet and Violet. Let's see what we get today, y'all. Looking for that hit. Maybe we'll get one soon. If I can get into it. Because we need one. Here goes the code for people who wants one. Alright, y'all, let's see what we get on this fine morning. See what we get. I ain't too much on Scarlet and Violet, so I don't know what's good and what's not good in this one. But we'll see. See if we get anything. I hope we do. Uh-oh, we got a reverse. Toddle, whatever that thing is. And another reverse. Shiny. And what did we get? Let's see. Ah. Got a hollow. And it was Leaf. Alright, y'all. Not really no big hits out in there, but as always next time. Ward's Toys out of here.